Okay, the first thing you have to do is open up the site. Then you have to select the account you're buying, which is 5k. Then you tap on the buy. As you can see, there is 40 USD to get the account. Then now just enter your personal details, first name, last name. Enter your email address there. Then fill in your basic address, Nigeria, and all that thing. You have to select the payment method you're going to be using. But first, you have to enter the discount code if there's any, which you can see discount code is better. So you enter the discount code and then you have to proceed with that. So once you enter the discount code, page is going to refresh. Then the platform is already selected, everything is selected. Then you have to agree to the terms and condition. You can subscribe to newsletter, it's optional. Then you go through your details once again to be sure everything is accurate and correct. You get make sure you're always going for one step account, not two step. So that's on that. So once you have checked out all this information, the next thing you have to go ahead and do is complete payment. So you tap on complete payment and it's going to take you straight to the checkout section where you have to make the crypto transaction. So once you get to this page, as you can see now, it's showing you the amount of crypto you have to make to purchase this account. So then you tap on next on it and it's going to take you to this platform where you have to copy the address and copy the amount to be transferred. So copy the amount, paste in your wallet, copy the address, paste in your wallet, and then transfer the exact amount, that is USDT TRX. Use that network, transfer it to this, and once you get to this, it's going to take approximately probably 5 to 10 minutes, it depends on the case, and then it's going to be notified about your transaction, and then it's going to start showing you a different page altogether. You start seeing a different page altogether. So let's just hold on and see. I've made the transaction now. Let's hold on and see. Okay, then now start showing you payment processing. From payment processing page, the next page you get is a success page. Right, your transaction is successful. By then they have sent your details to your email. They sent the details to your email when the transaction is successful, and then it will take you back to the Marvin site indicating that your order is completed.